the train come over. This is train. Coming in. Silverliner 4s. Got Silverliner 4 rail cars. 432. 439. Take care. 286, 170, and 169. All taken off to Malvern. Next train is going to Center City and Airport. Take care, sir. That was train 535. Got train 437 coming up next. Mark up. Got train 4 coming. Got airport train 437 coming up next. Mark. As we're here. More trains like that sounds. Train ticket. With 4 trains in a row, and he's moving. And up here, we got Broad Street Line cars. 516, 552. 521 coming in. With an airport train coming up next. What a train. Here we got something train 437 to the airport. Silverliner 4's leading. This is train 437 to the airport. Coming in. Silverliner 4 rail cars. Got Silverliner 4 rail cars. Got Silverliner 4 rail cars. 372. 373. train.
Yeah, that's kind of unusual.
More cars than the last time when there was only 4. You know what I saw? Papa, you know what I saw? I saw people coming back from the Phillies game.
No, well, the Phillies aren't playing till tonight.
So they're coming back here. They're coming back here for the Phillies. Yeah, they came back from the Phillies game yesterday. So more come as we. Yep. Here we got a train coming in. It is the Broad Street line. It's 6 at. Sure. This is yesterday due to the game. As it's going to wait for this train on the platform to leave. As we are going to wait for a train to Warminster. Did I do that? Good. This is the next train. Do this very wise. And it's coming to be here to leave Temple Universe. It's a temple. Oh, and he's moving. We got cars. 667. 540. 682. 532. And 555. Coming in. And missed it. We'll have to check. Open someone else. Your turn. It was up here. Missed. This was up here. So look. Here we got a train coming in. The train's here. Silverliner 5 rail cars. It's too far away. That is it. This is the train that It's up here. Stop here. It's far away from us. This is the train. To work. Leaving. Silverliner 5 rail cars, 853, the Robert H. Smith School of Business car, 854, 715, 855. All taken off to Worcester. We come back to train to the airport. Next up is the train to Chestnut Hill West. More to come. Here we got a train coming in. This is a train to Chestnut Hill West. The next one is the West Trenton. Sign. And he's coming in. Silverliner 4's leading. Silverliner 4 rail cars. 281. Closer! We just lost trains. 449. Chestnut Hill West. One 450, take care. 449 and 300. All taken off to Chestnut Hill West, West Trenton. Next train is the train to West Trenton. And we got the Broad Street line, which will come up in another clip. Come up next with another clip. So this and get the Broad Street. We'll catch next. More time. Here we got a train coming in. And stop. Train number 9. And the next train he's leaving. We got cars. 684. 683. 534. 510 and 559. Wow, we got an amazing start to the train. 4 and 583. Trace its way here.
Attention please. SEPTA. Train 546. The local to Doylestown is running approximately 10 minutes late.
Got a sec.
Attention please. SEPTA. Train 546. The local to Doylestown is running approximately 10 minutes late.
The announcement said that Doylestown train 546 is running 10 minutes late. The reason why... Yes? Talk to myself?
Are you doing that?
No,
Then why?
because I'm not on video.
One more time till we go home.
Okay,
I won't tell you again.
but I'm telling you something.
No, you weren't telling me something. You were just talking to talk.
Because that's what video makers do.
Yeah, but you weren't video making anything.
I was doing a video.
No. Never mind.
See?
Then you sit there and do it quietly.
Okay.
And if you talk out loud again like that without talking to me, then we're going home. No, you can just ask me. You don't have to.
So I want to say that you heard that announcement? That
Yes.
train 546
And
is 10 minutes late.
Right.
Do you know why? Can I explain why? It's due to Amtrak track work.
It said that, yes. Now, here's the problem. If you were a video maker, you would have just let that play and not had to do it again.
Okay.
Okay, remember what I said?
The train coming in. It's the West train. So we're on the 5-row cars. 701. This turn. So we're on the 5-row cars. 701. Here's the doors. Number train, right there. More come. Doors. Here we got the scheduled late train to Doylestown. And so on from 288 Fern from Malvern. It's running 10 minutes. It's like skip. Okay. So we're the first 10 minutes late today due to Amtrak track work. Oh, stop talking quietly. I can't.
Get that right. Did it?
That was the late train.
What's that?
That was the late train. And it's going to be an express at Elkins. And it's going to be... Over here. You're gonna train coming in? Silverline 4-wheel cars. 106. This is train 539 from out. 106. 105.
Don't know how you do it sometimes, brother. I just remember doing made in America for myself. You're a made in America.
People coming. I'm sorry. We're back to the movie. Those Phillies.
Oh, Billy!
Yes.
That was our deal all along. That's all we did.
He said don't bother people because they have the right for peace and quiet.
They have the same right.
They have the right for
They were
peace.
getting off, so you don't need people jumping in front of them, around them. It's okay, you didn't do anything really wrong. I'm just telling you.
But I didn't. But I did the rule to like keep talking all the time. Well, I didn't do that.
Well, no, you weren't.
But
And you're doing very well at it now. You're doing a really good job. And if you want to make videos, you talk during the videos, not every second of the day. I know it's nerves. I understand that.
so you said, what are passengers mean?
You know what a passenger is.
They are people.
What?
What is a passenger?
No, you tell me what
They are
it is.
people, right?
Right.
They are
That are on the train.
people,
Right.
and
And you need to let them.
so leave the people alone.
Yes.
Leave them alone.
Right. You're here to video trains, not people. Not to interact with people. Just, I mean, I don't care if you talk to people sometimes, but I don't want it common.
And especially talk to railfanners
Well, you.
like Jonathan on American Trains and Elevators.
All right.
And out there. We got the last train coming. This is to the airport. Hey, maybe this one. These fans too. Maybe they in Silverline 5 rail car 728. Approach in the station. We're sitting 8:48 to here. 8:47 and 7:22 to Tennessee. I'll take it off to the airport. How many more trains can we see?
I don't know. Give it another 15 minutes.
That's the last regional rail until 2:55.
Oh, it is?
2:55 is
Are you ready now?
so the next regional rail is 2:55. So we have a while. So we have to go.
Yeah, if you want.
I don't know, but it's.
Hey, you want some water?
I'm good. It says 2:55.
So that's a long time. Aren't any expresses?
No expresses.
You don't get that many expresses here. So how many trains did you see here? You get to see those, I don't. I can hear them, of course.
I count those trains too, but I
Well, you
don't
should.
know how many trains.
Well,
But it's
yeah, quite
either
a,
19 or 20.
yeah, I think that's about right. That
And I
sounds-
think it's about, if we see 9
Good
tomorrow,
job
we're
today.
going to see a number in the 40s.
Okay, that's good.
Not great,
Not great. No, we've had better weekends, but
but you're going to have 40 trains to the other trains we saw. Okay?
yeah,
And then we'll have the trains
you did a good job.
back.
After we talked to you, you did a really good job.
Even more police fans came out, but that was not a lot of people, but the other one,
Have your phone?
yes. And no, he did not drop it all.
I know. See, I'm asking you to be responsible. That's all. I'm not asking you to do anything out of line. I'm just asking you to be responsible for your things, for your actions.
So when your actions are not what they should be, I take responsibility.
Yeah. You need to fix it. Listen, if
Nice we get to see some
that's
bands.
how you